So the big question here is, why haven't I been making this for years? I realise that Camembert is a bit like Marmite, you either like it or you don't, but this is so easy and the tastes are so good it's worth a try. Standard setup for the Cobb in oven mode, but I definitely needed the grill rack. Choice of food was easy, a Camembert to bake and then some veg and bread to dip into it once it was done. I decided to roast the potatoes and the onions so they went in silver foil. And then it was just time to light the lump wood, and in this case I used 500 grams. The lump wood took 40 minutes to get going, and then I put the potatoes and onions into the moat and then put the lid back on. Everything else went in 15 minutes later with some silver foil on the Camembert, which I only left on for 15 minutes to warm it through, and then in with the bread and turn everything over. So an hour after the potatoes and onions had gone and it was all finished, which means that the veg and the cheese had about 45 minutes, whereas the bread only had 30. And I think next time I'll put the bread in at the same time as the veg. And that was basically it. Really easy to prepare, tasted superb, and only took an hour to cook. And I actually think the potatoes and onions would have been done in 45 minutes anyway. So that makes another solid result for the Cobb Premier.